This year's theme is Japanese inspirations. So it's festivals from Japan that are celebrated all year round. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun doing a little bit of research, learning a little bit about the different cultures, and then diving into the plant palette that we can use in all the different rooms. He's 117 foot long. We haven't given him a name yet. He got in here with all of our staff coming in at 6:30 in the morning and taking him up the back way from our exhibit staging center. Mums are the star of the show. We say mum's the word. So mums, we have 3 different types of main display mums, exhibition mums, your sprays, your disc buds, and we have your garden mums also, and your cascades. So we take one little cutting and we take all the buds off the sides of the plant to give one large bud at the very end. So all the energy from that plant goes into making one flower. I really don't have a favorite. However, this morning, going through the East Room with our Tanabata tree and reading the expressions that people put on the little pieces of paper we give them, it's really been kind of inspirational. Victoria is a very nice calming room, has some lanterns in there for you to see. It's particularly nice at night. Sunken is our carp room. So you will see a 17-foot carp up in the air, and we'll talk about a little bit about that tradition.
So I especially love these. I mean, the big one is great, but this kind of reminds me of like I would be in.
The konobori, yes. This is for celebrating Children's Day, which typically is in like May. And it is a very old tradition, celebrating children. The father would be black, the mother would be red or orange, and the children would pick any color they want, and they would put this outside their house. I just want them to come through and have a real nice, peaceful time. This time of year in the fall, it's a time to just gather with your family and just have some fun, find some festivals, find a place like Phipps to come to. Just relax. It's a time right before the holiday seasons, and it's so hectic. It's just a nice time to just sit back and enjoy the season.